Hi guys, welcome again to Trading Made Simple and the third example of this series of the different trailing stops we are using. This time we're going to use R20. So we're going to use this column here. So when price goes through 2R, we go to break even. Price goes through 4R, we go to 2R, and so forth. So on here, our stop's around 50 pips. Our emergency stop, R value is 21. And this time we're going to go for a trail of 2.0 or around 42 pips. I'm just going to let this run through. The momentum indicator will do exactly the same as you saw before, so you'll need to make the exact same choices. So we'll just place our trade and let's go and see what happens. Let's speed her up a bit. So it looks like we've just come through R2, so we're now at break even. R3, we're at R1 now, stops at R1. Gone through R4, so our stop is now at R2. One of the good features of our trade manager is that the broker cannot see where your stop is. So we've gone through R5. So we've gone through R6, so our stop is at R4. Our stop would still be at R4. Now, I'll just stop here for a moment to explain something to you. I'll get my pen. Now notice we have the same weakness as we had with the other ones, the momentum, but this time you see here it probably has not gone through R7 because of the spread. So our stop is still at R4. So even though you might have got 5.5 or thereabouts, if you get out of your trade there, you're now going to leave, you are risking 1.5, wrong one, this one, you're risking 1.5 R if you continue, because R4 is there, so you're risking 3%. You have 8% in the bank. When we were using 1.75 R, we had 10% in the bank. So the R levels do make a difference. So let's just say we're going to continue, take the risk, and let's just run it right through until it closes up. So now we've gone through R7, so our stop is at R5. Gone through R8, so we're at R6, stops at R6. Notice this time we also entered a little bit later, a little bit below the close, so that'll have some bearing on what's happening here. If we had got a better entry here, then this would have moved up a bit higher, and we certainly would have gone through R7 and been at the R5 stop there. We've now gone through R8, so our stop is at R6. just gone through R9. So R7 is the stop. Again, you have that decision to make whether to close the trade out at about 7.7, knowing that at R7 you've got 14% in the bank. So we've gone through R10. Gone through R11. So our stop is at R9. So we've gone through R12, so our stop is now at R10. And that is the end there. So let me just stop this. And let me get my pen. So obviously first thing is we did get an entry that was a bit below the close, so that did have some effect, but difference between the 2 and the 1.75 was marginal. Probably felt more comfortable with the 1.75 trail. But what's good here, so this is a 10% return. You could have actually got out on this one here and made a little bit more than that. But sorry, that's a 20% return because it was 10R. So we risked 2% and we got a return of 20%. So that's very, very good. Anyway, that's the example using the AUDCAD on the 5th of June to show you the difference between the trailing 1.5, 1.75 and 2.0. Anyway, no matter what we choose or what you choose to do, it's important that we trade safe.